my 100k worth of Hermes handbags. It is a lot of money, but I didn't pay 100k for it. Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. It's Vivian again, and welcome if this is the first video that you're watching on the channel. And on my first luxury, I do a lot of in-depth reviews of luxury goods across the board, and also I share insights and information. Obviously you can see I am surrounded by a bunch of orange boxes, and I am going to be sharing with you guys my 100k Hermes handbag collection. I have decided to start my Hermes journey last year when I became pregnant with my first child. We started off purchasing some baby goods. Those are really good keepsake and also sentimental pieces that can be passed down. So I figured maybe it's time to do it. Also, along with Chanel price increases that are unstoppable, I can still pick up a few pieces that I like from each collection from Chanel if I want. With Hermes, it's really an investment, and I did dig a little bit deeper in the other Hermes videos, but in today's video, I wanted to share with you guys my 100k worth of Hermes handbags. And trust me, it is a lot of money, but I didn't pay 100k for it. 100k is the perceived market value of all 7 of these handbags together. So in today's video, I am going to be walking you guys through my collection and also share with you guys what are the retail price versus the perceived market value. And this is something that I have evidence of, as I pretty much have found secondary price, not on everything, because some pieces are really rare and hard to come by in terms of the color and the style. So I have tried my best, and I'm going to leave the links in the comment section below and also put screenshots here to show you guys the perceived market value. So we are going to get into all of the details, the retail price of the bag, when I got it, and also do another round of mini unboxing. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I would love if you join. Click the subscribe button and also follow me on Instagram. I do share my shopping trips with you guys as well. So without further talking, let's get started. I have 7 handbags today. The order I'm going to show the handbags to you guys is going to be how much I paid for them, from the least expensive to the most expensive, even though some handbags are very close in price points, but on secondary market, they have a huge difference in terms of value. So we're going to start with this little box here, and in this box, this is the mini Evelyn in gold color with silver hardware, and I started my Hermes journey sometime end of 2020, and majority I've gone through it in the year of 2021. So this is a bag that I've actually waited for a while, but it is the least expensive out of the 7 bags today, and the retail price for this was $1,800 US, plus tax. And I believe Hermes just did another round of price increase this year, so it probably went up like 2 to 5%, but I paid $1,800 for this. And on secondary market, I know there are a lot of mini Evelyns out there. You can definitely choose the color you like, but you're more likely going to be paying around $3,900. There is a different price range depending on the color you choose, but for some of the classic neutrals like black, gold, grays, the price does keep value pretty well. And for gold mini Evelyn on the secondary market, when I searched for it, it was around $3,900 US. So this has double the price on secondary market versus how much I paid in the retail store. Before I got started on my own Hermes journey, I have borrowed my friends' handbags to make reviews. So I've done quite an in-depth reviews from the history of the bag to how it wears and how practical it is. So if you want to check those out, I'm going to leave links down below so you can check out the in-depth reviews. Okay, so the next bag is a pretty big piece, and it's literally hiding right here. And if you guys follow me, you know this is the very first handbag that I actually picked up. So the Airbag 31 is my very first handbag that I picked up from the boutique. I just couldn't let this combination pass. I find it to be very classy. It's black with gold hardware, which gold hardware is a little bit hard to come by on the HERMès combination, as most of them are with the palladium hardware, and there are a few special releases back in early Airbag days. I mean Airbag. But this is my Airbag Zip 31, and it's the black canvas with the hunter leather over here and with gold hardware. The retail price for this bag is only $2,600, which isn't a bag to start at Hermes. It's such a casual bag. You can honestly just use it without closing the flap. And on the back here, when I did the review, I mentioned the lock that came with the bag should be actually placed here. So if you know, you don't want to hang it over here to scratch up the leather. But obviously it's your handbag depending on what of a look you wanted to give it. And the Airbag on the secondary value for this particular one, it is priced at $3,500. But in general, I think depending on the combination of the Airbag that you choose, it's anywhere between $3,000 to like $4,000. Giving $4,000 is the higher end, but this is priced at $3,500. Even though I had a plan to use this as a mommy bag, but once you become a real mom, you know you want a faster access and even bigger space than this. I'm sure I'm gonna get plenty of use when I go on travels. Next is my latest possession, which is in this unique box. And if you love Hermes, you would know it is a picotin. Maybe it's hard to tell from the video, but this is the picotin size 18 in one of the newer colors. This color is called Beige de Weimar. And here she is. I have done an unboxing and took you guys shopping with me in the video, so if you want to look more, there will be more details for you guys. But the Picotin 18 is priced at $2,950 US as of February 2022. So it did go up a little bit, but on secondary, the price of the Picotin is $3,600. The Picotin itself is quite a popular style, as it's the first choice for a lot of people when they start exploring Hermes leather goods, especially in the handbag department. And this is a very practical size because you can see how big and spacious the bag is. And if you want to keep its shape, it's important that when you're storing it, you stuff the bag, or you can use a bag insert when you're using this bag. Lately, I've been digging the palladium hardware combination. I think a lot of people loves to add this to their collection. It's open and right there. The next bag is going to be above 5K, and it is the Mini Lindsey, priced at $6,800 US. And the color I got is one of the hardest colors to come by, and I'm extremely thankful with my essay. Obviously, the person remembers what I like, what my preferences are, which I'm really big on neutrals and also pinks. And I'm just really thankful, you know, when the offer came by and it's like, this bag, do you want it? And I'm like, yes. And when I saw the color in person, honestly, inside the Hermes boutique, it's hard to see colors because it's most of the time very dim. But I knew it's going to be a beauty. So here is my Mini Lindsey in Rose Sakura with palladium hardware, and it's in Swift leather. And the retail price for this as of February 2022, which is after the newest round of price increase, it's $6,800 US. And on secondary market, this price can shift up to about $11,000. Mini Lindsey is a style that is in high demand since its debut because everyone wants something small, dainty, and this is actually a literally useful small bag versus my Chanel micro bags that are literally just accessories. So I don't see a lot of Mini Lindsey and Rose Sakura come by, and a lot of people prefer the neutral colors, obviously in every style, because it's easy to match. But I do think with the handbag this size, you can definitely, you know, wear different outfits, and this would make a statement. The next bag is the 24-24-21, which is the mini size. I don't see or hear a lot of people talking about it yet because the retail price for it is quite high compared to some of their very popular styles. And this is a relatively newer style, which people aren't too familiar with, but I just really adore this. And the retail price for my mini 24-24-21 is $8,100 US, and this one is quite unique because it's not gold on gold combination. It's gold with palladium hardware, which I find to be very refreshing and casual. With gold, obviously you can dress it up, but I have grown more and more on this look, and I just really like it. And on secondary market, because how new this style is, I don't see a lot of people kind of owning lots of color combinations, but I found one that is asking for $12,000. And honestly, I think this bag gives you plenty of style, as it's named as 24-24 because it is a bag that the brand wants the owner to use from day to night. It's an easy transition. You know, you can remove the strap that comes with it. You can also wear the strap 6 different ways, kind of like a Cali dance, but it's not a quota bag, so it's something you can request. I have filmed a video showing you guys various ways to wear this, so if you want to check it out, and if you are considering buying this bag, that video is going to be very helpful. It went by really fast, but let's get into the last 2 pieces over here. The retail price for Kelly is less, and obviously this is a mini size. So I did receive my quota bag last year, sometime after summer, and I couldn't believe it. It was such an unbelievable surprise. I've filmed and shared all of that in different video. If you guys want to see it, check the links below. And this is my super cute Kelly Mini 2 in Rose Sakura and gold skin with palladium hardware. And I just don't see this combination out there. I personally like my mini bags to be colorful and fun, so I can add an interesting layer to my outfit. And this color is just so beautiful. It's a very nice muted color, and it actually fits 2 iPhones if you have the newest version of iPhone 13. I have done a pretty practical review around this little beauty here, so just check the links below. Now let's talk about price. The retail price for the Kelly Mini 2 was $8,550 plus tax, which this year I believe they bump it up a little bit more, so it's kind of around the 9K mark. So the asking price for the Kelly Mini 2 on the secondary market is anywhere between 30K to 36K, which to me is too much. I honestly don't think it would have gone up to 36K depending on the color and the combination. Like I said, I don't see a lot of the Rose Sakura colors out there, which let me know how rare it is. So this is such a great bag to own really in your collection. It also took me quite a long journey to get there. But yeah, here she is. Okay, gonna leave her up here for a little bit. One of my first special piece from Hermes. It's very meaningful. For those who are wondering what is my first luxury, it is something that provokes some of your most sentimental and memorable moments of life when you requested these luxury bags. Like the first time you purchased a luxury handbag for yourself, I'm pretty sure you have thought about it very, very hard before you made your first purchase, or it is a splurge, but most of us do remember what it is. So this is my very first quota bag from Hermes, and it is a Birkin 25 in cray with rose gold, and she's upside down. Here she is. And because I use these bags very often, so I don't put it back in dust bags, but they are in their box. So now we've opened my last orange box in the video, and this is my Birkin 25 in cray with Togo leather and rose gold hardware. Honestly, this bag is so special and meaningful to me, and it's just something that I'll cherish for a very, very long time. Okay, let's not talk about price. I paid $9,750 US plus tax, so it went above 10K. And on secondary market, Birkin 25 in white colors. I've caught on to a trend before it became the bigger trend that made so many waves right now. And honestly, the price for it on secondary market is also crazy high. I've seen askings of $37,500 for this exact combination. And I've also seen other vloggers For example, Claire Chanel from the UK, she had done an SO on this exact combination. Besides her SO, obviously it's personalized. The inside is a different gray color. I know she loves gray. And hi Claire, if you're watching. Voila! These are 7 of my Hermes handbags. That's worth in total of $100,000. I can't believe it. I mean, I paid a total of $40,500. I retail for this. Didn't think they were gonna worth 2.5 times more on the secondary market. This is really crazy and a lot to take in. People do talk about handbags are not investment, but in my opinion, you can make good choices selecting exclusive handbags. For example, Hermes is the brand. And obviously, I didn't pay $100,000 to collect all of these bags, but their value is insanely high. I didn't want to make this video too long, but thank you for allowing me to take you guys on this journey. Like you guys saw, my collection are pretty neutral at the moment, besides a few pops of pink, and I'm pretty particular about it, so I was very happy that the essay could fulfill my wish. And there's still a long way to go at Hermes. If you want to see what's coming, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I'm sure there are a lot more handbags going to come my way. Out of all of the handbags that I showed you guys today, which one is your favorite? Please share in the comment section below, because I would love to know. And if you ask me, the choices are probably going to be between the Birkin and the Kelly. I would say I'm still a Birkin girl at the moment. I really appreciate you guys for watching up until this point, and I would love to see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys. Bye. It's time.